వెల్కమ్ టు TR9 టీవీ. నేను శ్రావంతి. లీడ్ ఇండియా ఫౌండేషన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో విద్యార్థుల కోసం ప్రత్యేక స్పీచ్ కాంపిటీషన్ నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు.
COVID-19 is a pandemic which has shaken the entire world. Our Honorable Prime Minister and Chief Minister have pronounced a lockdown. It's our duty as citizens of this great country to ensure that we follow the rules of the lockdown. Our doctors, other health officials, our policemen and our sanitation workers are working relentlessly to ensure that we are safe and secure and come out of this pandemic. Students, on your part, have a great responsibility during these times. You have to ensure that not only you, who are the future of this country, but also our parents, our friends and family, and our neighbors are all secure during these times. The Lead India Foundation for the students has started a national quiz competition called the COVID-19 Championships. I request you all to participate in this and become Lead India Warriors. You'll all get a certificate of participation and become Lead India Warriors. Visit us at www.leadindiafoundation.org. आप बचो देश को बचाओ, आप बढ़ो देश को बढ़ाओ. Lead India.
Lead India. My dear young students of India, we all love you, respect you because you are the hope of the country. You are more intelligent than us, you have got more technical skills than us, and you have got capacities to solve whatever problems we come across. You have got capacity to solve. That's why here I am called as Sudarshan Acharya, worked with the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, on the training programs of Aap Badho Desh Ko Badhao through Lead India 2020 Foundation. Now we are coming to you to present to you, to give you an opportunity to think innovatively and using your own patriotic spirit how to fight out COVID-19 and come out of this crisis. For that, we are presenting to you a COVID-19 Lead India Championship National Quiz Competition. School and college students all are eligible to do this. This has got 3 levels. One is level 1, where you will have multiple choice questions, where only one answer will be the right answer, which you have to select. After answering these questions, you need to make a 2 minutes video of yourself, how you are preventing this, how you are helping your family to prevent this, and what is your contribution to control this COVID-19. And based on this video, you will be selected for level 2. In the level 2, you will be given an opportunity to do research on this COVID-19 virus and its preventions, and how India is combating it, and what are the various Indian ways and means, and what will be the impact of this program of this COVID-19, and how you can forecast what is your contribution, suggestions, etc. With all this essay writing competition, in level 3, you will be given an opportunity to enter into the debate. In this debate, from each state, one top person will be selected. So nationwide, we will have a debate program like Kaun Banega Crorepati. Among that, whomsoever is selected, they will be awarded with the Lead India Commander, next Lead India Captain, Lead India Fighters, and whomsoever are participating in this right from level 1 all will be given participation certificates. We also request our parents to encourage the students, and as teachers are the builders of this nation, we also request all teachers community of India and all head of the institutions principals to see that more number of students participate from your institution. Lead India will be issuing appreciation certificate to the principals as well as the institutions. Let us all come together and fight out this COVID-19 with a theme that आप बचो देश को बचाओ, आप बचो देश को बचाओ, and let us all work towards the development of each student so that it is the development of the nation. आप बढ़ो देश को बढ़ाओ. Lead India. Visit www.leadindiafoundation.org. Visit www.leadindiafoundation.org and start participating in this. All the best to all of you. Lead India.
రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ రంగంలో నమ్మకానికి మారుపేరుగాంచిన సంస్థ ఎస్ఎస్ స్వర్ణ వెంచర్స్ సొంతింటి కలను సాకారం చేసేందుకు అన్ని రకాల హంగులతో అతి తక్కువ ధరలో ఫ్లాట్లు అందజేస్తున్న సంస్థ ఎస్ఎస్ స్వర్ణ వెంచర్స్. కీసర నుండి భోగారం వెళ్ళు రహదారిలో ప్రశాంత వాతావరణంలో 6 ఎకరాల విస్తీర్ణంలో ఫ్లాట్లను అందుబాటులోకి తెచ్చింది ఎస్ఎస్ స్వర్ణ వెంచర్స్. అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు అతి చేరువలో అతి తక్కువ ధరలో అందరికీ అందుబాటులో గల ఈ అవకాశాన్ని వినియోగించుకునేందుకు